In this tutorial we're going to talk about how to create custom holes or archways from room to room. So if you want to create a custom little opening into a different room, this is how you do it. First of all, we got our floor plan here, and let's say we want to put an archway on this particular wall right here. So I'll click on the wall, and then at the top here it says Edit Profile, so I'm going to click on Edit Profile, and then it asks me which way I want to look at it, east or west. Well, it all depends on which direction you want to cut it from. So if I want it to be on the east or the west, depending, I'm just going to choose the east. Open view. So here's my wall, and it's this pinkish line right here. And I want to put my archway right here. So I'm going to grab the line tool up here to draw my initial rectangle that I'm going to put the archway on. And when I lock onto this line, it tells me how far away it is from the wall. So this is how you can tell. So let's say I want to make it 5 feet in. I'm going to come straight up, and I'll make this first one 7 feet tall. And then I'll come across, and I want it to be at least 4 feet, but let's go ahead and just make an oversized archway. We'll make it 6 feet long. And then I'm going to come straight down and lock onto the line again. Now, we can't have this line go across here because in order for this to be an open way, we need this area to be open. So I'm going to hit Escape and Escape again so that I'm out of my tool. And I'm going to grab the line, this base line right here, click on it, and I'm going to grab the little dot here to drag the end of the line so it snaps on to the edge right here. And this window is going to pop up saying, can't keep elements joined, because I've actually broken it off from this line right here, so I've unjoined it. So I'm just going to say yes, unjoin elements. So now it's snapped onto here, and I can see that the line is there, it's pink. And I'm going to grab my line tool again, and I'm going to lock onto this corner and draw in the line that I just took away. Essentially what we just did is we opened up this area right here so that there's no line. Now if we leave it like this, it's just going to be a square opening in our wall. But if we want an arch, I can come up here and grab my radius start and radius arc tool. And this works like the inventor one. If I lock onto the corner here and come over here and click onto the corner here, I can make my arch any way I want. I could make a really big ridiculous arch if I want. It'll also snap onto 180 degrees, which is nice to make a nice perfect archway, but you can always do other angles as well. So let's say we wanted to have a perfect archway at 180 degrees. I'm going to click, and this line is still here. I need to get rid of it, so I'm going to hit Escape and Escape. Click on this line one more time, hit the Delete key on my keyboard. Now it's gone. And once I hit this little Finish Edit mode, the green check, the archway is now complete. So if I go to my 3D view, you'll notice that there will be now an archway in our door right here, or on our wall. So if I go to Detailed or Realistic mode, you can see the archway. So you can cut a hole of any shape or size into your wall. This is how you can create just a nice archway for an opening into one room or another.